In this video, I am going to show you how to use the if function in Excel with three conditions. By the end of this tutorial, you will able to classify data automatically without manually checking each row. So let's get started. We have a list of competitors, each with three test score. Based on their average score, we want to classify them into three categories. Class A, if their average score is below 35. Class B, if their average is between 35 and 50. Eliminated if their average score is above 50. Manually checking each row, that's a waste of time. Instead, we will use the if function to automate these in seconds. So let's do it. Click on the first row where we want to classification. So type in formula is equal to, if in the bracket we select the average score less than is equal to 35 and comma h3, then comma, again we will use if function here, and the bracket we select the average score, then less than is equal to 50. So we select H4 here. Then again comma, and last option is eliminated. So if it is these two condition is not apply, the third condition is apply automatically. We have to close this bracket two times. But before enter, we have to log this formula using F4 key. So I will log this formula using F4. So I will log H3, H4 and H5. Then press enter. The first result is appear. Hold and drag the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell downward. Excel apply to the formula all the rows instantly. Now, if we change any scores, the classification updates automatically. So now everything works perfectly. Now you know how to use the if function with the three condition in Excel. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Excel hacks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I will reply to every single one. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.